If you're looking for a spacious, functional, and super accessible home here in Pampanga, this might be the one for you. Welcome to this duplex house located in San Isidro, San Fernando, Pampanga. Unang pasok pa lang, you'll immediately notice the open living and dining area. Perfect for family bonding, hosting guests, or even simple chill nights at home. So bali meron tayong clean kitchen and meron tayong dirty kitchen dito naman sa likod. And also meron din tayong laundry area. Now let's talk about space. This home has a total floor area of 140 square meters. Kaya ramdam mo talaga na maluwag siya. Hindi ka mag adjust Ang bahay ang mag adjust sa lifestyle mo. And then this is our master bedroom. Meron siyang balcony. And then ayan po yung ating mga built-in closet and meron din tayong master bathroom. Tapos, meron din tayong another bedroom. So, with built-in closet na rin yan. Tapos, ito yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat ng bedrooms, yung merong loft. Tapos, kasya ang dalawang big mattresses, perfect for kids, teens, or even a shared room. Ayan, so ang luwag, di ba? Sa bathrooms naman, we have a total of three. So, ito yung sa baba, na bathroom, and then ito naman yung common bathroom sa second floor. Sobrang lapit lang ito sa MacArthur Highway, walking distance lang actually, kaya easy access to schools, malls, work, and public transport. Tara po, mag-tripping na po tayo. Thank you!